I can remember it like it was yesterday. It was a GM vehicle with rear disc brakes, one of the first ones with a parking brake mechanism mounted in the caliper. We just did the brakes for this gentleman, and he drove the vehicle around the block, and he noticed one thing that we did wrong. The parking brake was not adjusted. I explained to him it really wasn't necessary on this vehicle due to the fact that the parking brake was part of the brake caliper, but he didn't want to hear it. And you know what? He was right. Anytime that you're doing rear disc brakes, you need to look at the specification for the parking brake to make sure it matches what's on the vehicle. If you look at the service information for any vehicle, you will see a specification for the parking brake. Typically, this includes the amount of force pulling up on the lever and the number of clicks to fully engage the parking brake. It doesn't matter if it's a domestic or import, you'll find these specifications. To make this adjustment, well, typically you have to go into the vehicle and adjust the cables at the equalizer bar. Some are not the same as others. In other words, the equalizer bar could be inside the vehicle or it could be underneath the vehicle. But adjusting it is critical. Also, in the case of service information, it can be critical if you're adjusting a self-adjusting system. In other words, the pedal underneath the dashboard, well, it adjusts for cable stretch, and you need to make sure that you're locking it out when you're adjusting the parking brake. So make sure that every rear brake job that you do, you're adjusting the parking brake. The customer will notice. I'm Andrew Markel. Thank you very much.